Hi, my name is Jay and I'm the owner of Carmedix in Durham, North Carolina. I first started this business because I felt customers were being told to replace things that were not needed. So when we first started, we only looked at what the customers came in for. And we quickly realized this was a huge disservice to our customers because safety issues were being overlooked, and a lot of times customers really want to keep their vehicles for a long time and keep them well maintained. There is no one size fits all in auto repair. Someone might have needed to keep their car only running for 3 months, or it's a family heirloom and they needed to keep it running for 20 plus years, to everything in between. What if, when a car comes in, a technician looked over the complete vehicle in an unbiased way? They do a walk around the exterior of the vehicle, look at the interior for any warning lights, look under the hood in case there's something like a frayed belt, look under the vehicle and check suspension and for any fluid leaks, and finally perform a test drive. Then, what if everything that a technician saw was documented with pictures in a digital format where it could be easily accessed by the customer, categorized in 3 categories? Red, which means it needs immediate attention; yellow, items needed 6 to 12 months from now; or green, which means it meets manufacturer specifications. Then, what if there was a trained professional that could answer and advise any question a customer might have about what they've just seen? All of this wrapped up in a digital package where you can either approve or decline these services at your convenience, whether that's from your home, office, or our waiting room. Our aim is to arm you with as much information as possible so you can make the best informed decision, and that way we can stay true to our roots.